Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm making some cream of corn soup. It's kind of cold and rainy, so I thought it would be perfect. This is all you need. 2 cups boiling water, 1 can cream style corn, 1 cup evaporated milk, fresh onions. I'm using dried. I had a few left and it ended up to be just about all I need. Celery flakes. You can use fresh celery, and salt and pepper. So it's really, really easy to make. Let me give you the recipe real quick. 1/4 cup finely chopped celery, 2 cups boiling water, 1 No. 2 can cream of corn, 1 cup evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons butter. I use margarine. Oh, I forgot to get that. Salt and pepper. Measure celery into 3-quart saucepan, add water, cover, and boil gently until soft. I just add everything. Now add remaining ingredients and heat through. The soup may be rubbed through a sieve. I just eat it, you know. It may be served without straining. Garnish with sprinkling of popcorn, if desired, croutons, crackers, or crisp toast. I will use crackers. You can make your own you can make your own croutons. That's a good way to use up your bread if you keep it in the freezer. So I'm starting with some celery flakes. These are kind of, I think I got these at Ralph's. I think that's about good. And then the onion, you can. And this is good because this is a stockpile meal. And it's really, really good. Okay, now the only thing, the thing that I do, and I think it really helps, is when I make any kind of soup, I don't rush it. I will probably I will probably cook this on low because of the milk for probably close to an hour. And then, my son's coming over and we will just have it with I have some good wheat crackers. So you guys get your notebooks, and so I'll use about that much. Doesn't have to be too much. And then I'll salt and pepper later. Okay, so that's all there is to it. And the only thing you have to remember, and I mean, you could blend it in the blender. I think it tastes good with corn in it. Okay, I want to tell you guys a couple more things, and then I will season with salt and pepper. Cream of corn soup. Okay, I got 2 bags of cereal. These are big bags at 99 cents only, marked down, so they were $1 each. 1 for me, 1 for Mikey. And then, now I'm buying the minis. So, you can eat like a handful of minis, and it's, I like this brand. I got these for $1 each at 99 cents only. And then I got this marked down. They say that the demand for coffee and the demand for chocolate, which is connected, the demand far outweighs the amount available. So what's likely to happen is the price is going to go up. So when I saw this for 50 cents each, they only had 1, so I bought 1. And another thing is, I want to mention something, one more thing, if I can. Okay, I can't. I will do it in the next video. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.